first thing I started doing was block scheduling out my scheduling, like actually taking time aside to put together my schedule.
Right. So scheduling time for scheduling.
Scheduling
very
time
meta.
for scheduling. If you're just doing it random, it's going to be random. It's going to get messy and chaotic. So I tend to do it Monday mornings. I leave my Monday morning open for that. Kind of look at the day, the week, the month, even 2 months, 6 months, even really a year. Like if you have stuff as far as a year out, put it in your schedule and then it's there. Put it as a 1 month reminder before, so you know what's coming up.
That's an important, I'll just pause there. That is an important prerequisite for this. Like you understand your strategic plan, you understand your annual goals. Those are broken down quarterly. That's what you refer back to each Monday morning when you're like, okay, what really matters this week? It's not just like, what's the theme of the week? I'll just throw some stuff in here. You're referring back to something that is very, very, very premeditated, right?